Good morning, students. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Welcome back to the EVS class of class 1. This is the third video of chapter number 3, Plants Around Us. Okay? This is the third video. And I hope all are fine at home. Very good. Now students, I also think that you all are doing your homework sincerely, right? Am I right? You all are doing your homework sincerely now? Yes, you have to do it. Why? Because the school will reopen very soon and I'm going to check whether you all have done your homework or not. Everyone has to do the homework. Clear? Yes, and I think that you all will do your homework. Okay, do it. So now students, do you remember what we have done in the previous video? Tell me, do you remember? Yes, tell me what you have done. What you have done? Yes, very good. We have done about the different types of plants. We have done about different types of plants. Okay. So, can you also tell me that how many plants, different types of plants were there that we have already discussed in the previous video? How many types? Very good. There were 6 types of plants. 6 types of plants. What was there? They were trees. Come on, repeat after me. What I will tell, you will repeat after me. How many types of plants were there? There were 6 types of plants. And what are they? They are trees, shrubs, herbs, water plant, climbers and creepers. Clear? 6 types of plants. And about all the 6 types of plants I have all discussed in details. Okay? So now children, before starting this chapter, today we are going to read about the parts of a plant. What we are going to read today? Parts of a plant. Okay? So, before that, I am going to show you something. What is that? I have already showed you in that previous video, but today also again I am going to show you this plant. See, what is this? This is again a small plant. Clear? So, in this video plants, I will tell you about the different parts of plant, and along with the parts of plant I will discuss in details about all the different types of parts of a plant. I will discuss about all the parts of a plant and their function in this video. Clear? Okay, now pay attention and everyone listen to what ma'am is saying. Okay? Okay. So children, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Because I have already discussed in the previous video. What is this? Correct. This is a root. Okay. And what is above the root? This is a stem. This is called the stem. Okay. Then what is these green? Can you tell me what is this green? Very good. These are leaves. Okay. Again, now what is this beautiful white color? What is this? This is a flower. It's very nice. It's so beautiful. This is a flower. Okay, this is a flower. Now, children, see, this is a plant and roots, stem, leaves, flowers and some more plants also have fruits to them. Some plants also give fruits. Which fruits? Many other fruits, like some plants give you mango. Okay, some plants give you mango. Some plants give you banana. Okay, there are different types of plants and different types of fruits they give to us. Some give you mango, some give you banana. Okay, na? Banana, mango, and many other fruits like grapes, orange, papaya, etc. Okay, so now I will discuss about the function of each parts of a plant. I will discuss about the function of each parts of a plant. So coming to the first part of the plant is roots. These are the roots. What is the role or what is the function of roots? Say, roots grow under the ground. When you plant a plant in the garden, you all put the down part under the soil, under the ground. So this part goes inside the ground. Okay, so these roots grow under the ground. Till here the sand is there, the soil is there, and the above part is the plant. Okay, so this part remains under the ground. So these are roots, these grow under the ground, and this root hold the plant. Okay, this root holds the plant in its place. It makes the plant to remain straight, and these roots absorb the water in the soil. These roots absorb the water because when you give the water to the plant, it goes down. Yes, it goes down, and all the water these roots absorb from the soil. Clear? Okay, now the next part is stem. What is a stem? I have already told that the above part of the root is called the stem. This is called a stem. Okay, this is called a stem. So stem grows upward. Stem grows upward. This is under the soil. This much is under the soil, and what is above the soil is stem. So stem grows up above the ground. Okay, this is above the ground, and the stem grows above the ground. And what does the function of stem? It carries water to all parts of the plant. What is the function of stem? The stem carries water to all parts of the plant. When you plant, suppose you are planting a plant in your garden, and you will give water to the plant. Why you will give water to the plant? Because without water, plants cannot live. They will die. Okay, so you will give some water to the plant. So when you give the water to the plant, the role of the function of stem is that stem carries water to all parts of the plant. Okay, to leaves, to flowers, everything they provide water to all parts of a plant. Okay, understood the function of stem? Okay, next is leaves. What is the function of leaves? Leaves also have some function. But what is the function? See, a plant needs, that I already told you that a plant needs sunlight, air, water to live. Suppose we human beings need food, water to live now. Yes? So same way, this plant is also a human being. It is a living thing. So plant also need air, sunlight and water to live. So these leaves use sunlight. They get the sunlight from the sky. They get no sunlight? Yes, they get sunlight, water also. We give water to the roots. Okay, they get water and air also they are getting. And these leaves make the food. They make the food for the whole plant. Clear? They make the food for the whole plant. Okay. So this is the function of the leaves. Leaves use sunlight, air and water. Three things they need: sunlight, air and water to make food for the plant. Okay. Now the function of a flower. What is the function of a flower? flowers are many of colors. Flowers are of many colors, you all know. See, this flower is which color? Tell me. White. Very good, student. This flower is white in color. What is the color of a rose? Tell me, what is the color of a rose? Red, pink, yellow. Rose is of many color. Okay? So, flowers can be of different colors, different shapes and different sizes. Okay? Like rose, lotus. Lotus is of which color? Pink. Marigold is of which color? Yellow. Jasmine is of which color? White. So see, all the flowers are having different colors now, and all the flowers are also having different shapes. So this is a flower. Clear? Now, when we give the water to the plant, to water to the roots, they give you flowers and fruits. Clear? Fruits. What are fruits that I give you? I have already told now that fruits, plants also give us fruits. Plants also give us fruits. So when we fruits are the parts of a plant which we eat. Fruits are the parts of the plant which we eat. When we will give the water, then only the fruits will come now. Huh? Yes. So we then, after when the plant will grow, we get the fruits. Okay. So fruits are the juicy and fleshy parts of a plant. What are fruits? Fruits are the juicy and the fleshy part of a plant. Okay. They have seed inside them. Is there a seed inside them? How many seeds does a mango have? Tell me. Very good. This mango is having one seed. Okay. So like apple is also there is a seed. Mango there is a one seed. Papaya there are many seeds are the fruits. Okay. So everyone, you have understood about the parts of a plant. Again I am repeating: roots, stem, leaves, flowers. Some plants also give us fruits. Okay. Now children, everyone open your EVS course book. Everyone open your EVS course book. Now we will read from the book. Okay. Open fast. Everyone open fast. Now children, see. Parts of a plant. Plants have many parts. They are roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay? I have already shown all the parts of the plant. Yes? Now see, this is a picture of parts of a plant. Can you see the picture? See, this is a root that I have already told that it remain under the ground. This much part remain under the ground and these are the roots. Next, above the ground is the stem. Okay, above the ground is the stem. Okay, roots are under the soil or ground. Stem bears fruits and flowers. Stem bears or gives you fruits and flowers and leaves. Okay. Now see, this is a flower. This yellow part, can you see? These are the flower. Okay. And these are green are the leaves. So leaves prepare food for the plant. Who prepare food for the plant? Leaf prepare food for the plants. Clear? And fruits are the parts of a plant which we eat. I have already told fruits are the parts which we eat. Clear? Okay. Now we will talk about the different parts of a plant. Number one is roots. Roots grow under the ground. They hold a plant in its place. See how the root is holding a plant straight in its place? Yes? Okay. They absorb water from the soil. When you pour some water, when you give some water to the plant, they absorb water from the soil. Okay, they absorb water from the soil. Next is stem. Stem grows upwards above the ground. I have already told you this much part remains under the ground and the above part stem grows upward. It grows upwards above the ground. It carries water to all the parts of a plant. The stem carries water to all the parts of a plant. Clear? Now coming to leaves. Leaves use sunlight, water and air to make food for the plant. Who makes food for the plant? Leaves make food for the plants. Okay. They use sunlight, water and air to make food for the plant. 3 things they need. Remember that. Okay. Now is flowers. Flowers are of many colors, shapes and sizes. Rose and lily are flowers. Okay. Next is fruits. Fruits are the fleshy and juicy parts of a plant. They have seeds inside them. You know now that fruits have seeds inside them? Yes, mango has how many seeds? 1 seed. Apple has how many seeds? Many seeds. Like papaya has how many? Also many seeds. So are fruits. So see this, children. These are the parts of a plant and this is a picture of part of a plant. Clear? Now I will also show you this part. See? Have you seen this part of a plant? See? See? This is also a part of a plant. Parts of a plant. See? These are brown colors are roots. Roots. Okay? How I have labeled, see? The above of the ground is what? Stem. Okay? This red are the fruits. Okay? This is the fruits. This green part is a leaf. And this yellow part is a flower. This yellow part is a flower. See how nicely I have made this plant and how nicely I have labeled it very in a clean and beautiful way. Are you seeing? Yes. So same way you also have to what? Draw a plant and label them. Okay. You have to also draw the plant and label them. Now children, now you all open your classwork. Now you open your notebook. We will do the classwork. Okay, be ready. Open your notebook and be ready with the classwork. Okay. Children, what is the classwork? Put your classwork in your copy. Chapter 3, Plants Around Us. Okay. What is the classwork? Match the parts of the plant to their function. Match the parts of the plant to their function. Clear? See, in column A, 4 parts of a plant is given. What are they? Roots, stem, leaves, flowers. Okay? And in column B, it is given number A, are colorful and attracts insects. Are colorful and attracts insects. Number B, hold the plant in its place and absorb water from the soil. C, carries water to all parts of the plant. Okay. Number D is makes food for the plant. Makes food for the plant. So what you have to do is, how to do the matching? You have to do the matching number wise. See how I have done the number wise matching? How to do it? I will tell you. Roots. What is the function of roots? All the functions of plant I have already discussed. So what is the function of a root? Holds the plant in its place and absorb water from the soil. So in number B, you will write number 1. Put it in a bracket in number 1. Okay? Put it. In number B, you will put number 1 because B is the correct answer for roots. Number 2 is stem. What will be the second answer? C. Carries water to all parts of the plant. Carries water to all parts of the plant. This is the second answer. Okay, second function of stem. Leaves. Third one is leaves. What is the function of leaves? Leaves makes food for the plant. What does the function of leaves do? Leaves makes food for the plant. Okay. Next, number 4 is flowers. What is the function of flowers? Flowers are colorful and attracts insects. Flowers are colorful and attract insects. So see children, how I have done the number matching. The same way you also have to do the number matching. So everyone note down in your copy. Everyone note down in your copy. Nicely. Take your own time. Done? Okay. Now we will do the homework. What is the homework part? What is the homework? See. Homework is draw a plant and label the parts of a plant. Okay, this you will do in your copy. Okay, draw a plant and label the parts of a plant. Clear? You first draw the plant and label accordingly how I have shown you in the diagram. You have to draw the plant and label very nicely and color your plant. Okay, and do in your copy. Okay children, I hope you all have understood what I have done in this video, what I have taught you in this video. I hope everyone has understood. Okay, very good. So now do your homework sincerely and again we will meet very soon with the 4th video. Okay, till then children, bye. Stay safe. Bye bye.